So you want to draw head poses? I got you. There is a really useful method I recommend. Using 3D models to study how the head looks from different angles. You can rotate them, zoom in, and really break down how the features change with perspective. To practice, I opened up a well-known 3D model and took random screenshots from different angles. Frontal view, three-quarter view, side view, and even from above and below. That way I could understand how the form shifts and how the head connects to the neck and shoulders. I started by sketching over those references. Unfortunately, I didn't record the first sketch, but you will see me here sketching the rest. For the three-quarter view, I began with a circle, then place the chin and eye lines. I add the ears and sketch in the neck to build a structure. Now here is a more challenging angle. The head is tilted and also looking up. That means we are seeing it more from below. I will start with a circle, but this one is stretched and tilted to match the angle. Then I place the ear and jawline. Honestly, the ear is a game changer. It really sets the pose. If it's off, the whole head will feel wrong. This view took a few tries. I used the liquify tool in Procreate to tweak the proportions a bit. It helped, but I try not to overdo it because it can mess up the line quality. Next was same idea. Start with a circle, add your direction lines, place the ear and build out the form. For the final pose, which is a clean side view, I did the same. I began with a circle, then placed the ear. And again, if you place the ear correctly, it becomes so much easier to position the rest of the face. From there, I added the features around it. So yeah, practicing with 3D models is super helpful. Take your time with each pose, focus on the structure, and don't stress if it's not perfect. Let me know in the comments if you want more breakdowns like this, and feel free to drop your questions.